don't care. None of them help me anyway. Only one person helps me, and that's the only person I care about. They're soft as Charmin, weak as piss. Where's my charger? I got it. I'm burning up too. Damn, it's hot as hell down here. See, that's what I'm talking about. Got some True Moves and some apple motherfucking juice. Oh, Bucktooth ain't said nothing now. I can't call him Bucktooth no more. He went and got that fixed. That took his character away. That was one of the reasons people know who you was, you dumbass. Do you not know that? Did y'all see that weak attempt of his to come back at me? Just like my buddy Zach said. I think it was Zach said it. Said, well, why did he rebuttal if it wasn't true? Stepped on a nerve, didn't I, Zach? And everybody's like, all this and all that. But why'd you tag him in it? Well, you see why I'm tagged in it. Because I was sitting right beside her the whole time, you dumb fucks. Duh. We was able to deal with so many trolls just by doing that. You know what I mean? So many of them I got rid of just by doing that. And I was like, act like you go first. I'm getting ready to post what we did yesterday. We took the kids to the docks, let them swim in the ocean, done all that good stuff. Exactly, Charlie. He don't want none of this. He don't want none of it. I promise you he don't. He's scared to death of me. He always has been. I've called him out about 32 times.
When you go out, can you come on here?
Yeah, I'll tell her come here, baby. I'm in here doing a live feed. She's in the bathroom right now. I'll tell her. Hold on. See, when I do a live feed or anything, I do not mention the kids. I don't bring them, you know what I mean? Yeah, I didn't jump in it, baby. I held onto the dock and stuck my foot down underneath it in the mud and picked it up where he could hold it, grab down and get it out of the mud, you know what I mean? It was a scout knife somebody had dropped there. Like a Boy Scout knife, you know, your red one with the corks on it and all that good stuff. It was one of those blades.
No, it was so funny though.
He thought I'd never get that knife either. Trey said, I thought you could never get that thing over here. I was like, son.
Well, people need to realize nobody's relationships are perfect. You know, I get depressed, I get undepressed, but what made it is I'm home now.
Found a charger in that case you
I got my
that stand you
babies,
made me.
I got the
Where's that
animals,
stand you
my
made me?
family.
The stand you made me.
Oh.
And where's my charger? In the floor unplugged.
Take
Because
what you want, bug.
you unplug every time you unplug chargers up, you throw my charger on the floor.
I didn't. Here's a plug.
I guess it just dropped itself on the floor. You didn't
Yeah,
know.
man, it's a damn ghost.
I know it. That ghost of Shayna Locklear. I already know what that ghost's
You
name
need
is.
a bar? Hey, bring it over here. I got a power bar. Derek, don't forget to cut it off.
Yeah, and I got a lighter. Hold on, guys. I'm fixing it where it stays put in my holder here. I don't know how you think this is going to hold a phone. There we go. Now let me bend it up. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'll be right with you. Right with you.
Shush.
Plug it in right there somewhere.
Say hi, Moo Moo.
There's Moo Moo. She
Say
loves
hi,
me.
baby.
That's a teacup
That's my
chihuahua.
girl.
She's a teacup
Spoiled freaking rotten.
and loves me to death.
She only loves you because I know her too.
Yeah, right. You said Her mom always said this
I
dog
got it.
eats everybody up that comes around.
Is it on?
She came straight to me.
How do you know it's charging?
It'll have a lightning bolt right there. No, it's not charging. It's that piece of crap right there. Put it over here. Put it over here.
There you go, perfect.
Now, let's see. There we go. Now we're charging, guys. But, yep. We're back at our place in Virginia. Yo, Derkie. What's up, Junior, brother? I've been dealing with redhead again. Gingerbread. Right. If you're going to say any drama on our pages, don't post nothing at all because you will be deleted and all that and blocked. We ain't got time for drama. Just like that woman posted. Now there's people trying to get t-shirts off of me because people actually ordered them from me and they got theirs without running their mouths. Yeah, there's plenty wrong with gingers. That's why y'all motherfuckers will be extinct. Look it up. Gingers will be extinct. Y'all don't mate with y'all's own kind. Gingers don't mate with gingers. That's a full-blooded ginger. I hate a red. My pawpaw D-Ray said,
You got movement, baby girl?
if you date a redhead, she's going to put you through the worst misery you ever went through, and she's going to give you the shits at the same time. Donald Ray White's words of Donald Ray White. Thank you, Rachel. That's right, Charlie. Amen, D-Ray. Nah, you know what I mean? It's just my, you know what I mean? How are you getting attacked? I've never said nothing about Carrie and climate. I'm talking about Upchurch individually. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about you guys. And Taylor contacted me last night. She's like, don't let him lie. He was in Boone County. He was scared of you when he was here. I was like, I know he was. You know what I mean? He asked for me to come there. You know what I mean? That's the beautifulest girl in Boone County. And you cheated on her. Are you stupid? You know? No, I've just always, you know, every redhead I've ever met, my pawpaw's been right. They're smart asses and think. Thank you, Becky. Of course, I'm going to go after my woman. That's who I love. She thought for sure I just, you know. Thank you, Charlie. If he's cheating on one of my good friends, he ain't worth me wasting my damn energy on. Amen. And then this one dude threatened me a while ago. He lives right up Chesapeake. That's 20 minutes away. I said, well, bring your happy ass right on down. I said, bring your happy ass right on down here to Carrollton or tell me where I can meet you and I'll break that damn perverted, nasty ass jaw because he's in the picture with his wife and 5 minutes later he's trying to hit on Shayna. Well, I got all the pictures of you with your wife and all that, buddy. And your rosacea face, all that good shit. Don't worry. I will be messaging her too. Because any woman deserves to know that her old man is trying to cheat on her on fucking Facebook. Fake book. Excuse me, fake book. Probably go to the beach tomorrow. And then the whole this week, you know. I forgot my damn Jordans and shit because I was on a train, you know. I brought my work shoes because I'm going to be in the beach and stuff more than anything. That's right, Junior. You know what I mean. That guy named Anna Jr., that is my buddy. He is my moderator to my YouTube, which we're going to take it to YouTube here in a little bit once his phone charges up. Oh, all my tattoo stuff's here too, guys.
Yeah, and Shayna's about to get inked the heck up. But I mean, not no little cheap ass shit, because I can draw.
No,
Right
I'm
knows
gonna
me, I can draw.
Ink her up really good, like better than myself. You know what I mean? Because absolutely, I'm gonna fish down here. My buddy Zach is a professional fisherman. He told me I could come up and work with him. He's just right up past Richmond there. But that's a little bit of a ride for me to work. You see what I mean? Any new shirts?
No.
Now they're all asking for them after what's her name got hers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I thought
Well,
it
that'd
was
be cool, though.
Hammer.
No, but they will be in the next week or two because I want to create some more. And
Yeah,
I got
we're
some
gonna
really
create
cool
some
ideas.
more.
So
Or I'd
just
say,
stay
yeah,
tuned.
there's some more. Just send it to my Cash App and you won't get nothing sent. That's a scammer. She's got her shirts, wearing them right now. So does
What?
Rick Fuller. Go watch him. He holds up a Boone County mating call shirt and he says,
Get you a chocolate milk.
Darkie's no scammer. Buy from him.
Honey, get you a chocolate milk. I don't want y'all having soda. No soda. We got chocolate
And that's
milk.
the black
We
one.
got juice.
You know
We
what I
got
mean?
little crystal lights.
There's Kara saying hi to you.
Hey, Kara. How you doing, love bug?
Remember, you accidentally blocked her, Kara LaBelle. That's Brian's wife.
Girl, there are
I mean,
so
Baron.
many people.
Baron, excuse me. That's
Well, I
Baron's
don't
wife.
know, man. You know, like, yeah, female fans, that's what's up, But, you know,
She didn't
keep
know
it
you
family. Not
Byron's
you.
wife or Baron, however he says it.
Let me open this.
Derek, open this for her.
Why are you so depressed, Kara? You need to get yourself out of that place.
Carol, how old are you again, if you don't mind me
Okay,
asking?
Junior, you know what I mean? As soon as they come in, you know I'm not a liar. I'm not a bullshitter. As soon as I get the new ones in, I'll let you and your old lady, I think it's Anna, get one first before anybody does. If you want something specially said on them, let me know. That way I can have it made on it. Hello, Jessica.
Shout out
Heath.
to Denise. The cool one.
Yeah, definitely shout out to Denise. She's the one that bought the shirts. Her and her husband, she loves them. She's offered to pay my way to her house, everything. She lives in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, on the other side of my state.
Huh, baby, there's that moth we took home. It died.
Your sister now, and
Babe, don't wash this down.
make sure it's around it out.
Might about go. Mommy's gonna make sure all the cups and stuff are there so I can wash
That's
them.
right here.
Okay.
That hot water is super hot now, ain't it, babe?
Yeah.
That's that tank I put in down here. When I got back, I had to drain it because she didn't
Look,
drain.
I cut my finger. I
She
don't know what
should
it
tell
is.
you message or call her cell phone.
Yeah, baby, I will. Let me get all these dishes washed, and these kids made some lunch, and I definitely will.
What's up in Indiana? My my baby cousin's up in Indiana right now, Charlie. Where's my allergy medicine? As soon as I wake up every morning. This right here, guys, by itself. I want anybody that knows old plating, sterling silver, stuff like that. How much is that worth right there? Just this one tray. It's made by F.B. Rogers Silver Company out of Massachusetts in 1883.
So I text or call me, you let me know I'm waiting on somebody.
That's $250 right there. This? No, it's 400, wasn't it? It was 450. 450 just for this. Worth sterling
What
silver.
are you doing?
She's
You
like, I'm
had
gonna take
be
it to a
home,
pawn
baby.
shop. I was like, hell no. All they're gonna do is give you the
I did
weight of
not say
silver
that.
for it.
Look, I'm not no professional.
You see what I mean? Which flag? The one that's on me or that one? That came from my house. There's
Oh, yeah,
one in the
I know
other
what
room.
that is.
That
My
flag will
neighbor.
always be with me.
I need to get over Kenny.
Yeah, I know. Oh, check this out, guys. Where's the butter there? This is how you make brownies, people. Real brownies. You see the butter? See that? That was
Dude, I
that-
heat it up just a little bit, put it on my bread, Les. Oh, it's so good. Put it on my bread, made me some corned beef hash, because I'm a country girl, with some cheese, Dude, I was out. Like, I felt
Knocked out.
so good. Like, no, man. Why do you think he always walks his can? I just ate some butter. Kitty shot. He's cool, bro.
This is what you cook your brownies with. It's butter. You melt it down.
Oh
It's
my
already
god, I did. I put
extracted.
some of that on my
You
toast
melt
and
that
my
down
sandwich.
in your microwave on just defrost,
awesome.
the lowest defrost. Then you add it into your mixture of the butter you're supposed to use of the other. You see what I mean? And then bam.
Y'all better start using one cup and reusing it. Y'all gotta use every, like 5 different cups every time you make a drink.
It'd be Queens or something like that. It's great for marijuana.
You wanna say hello? You can say hello. You can just say hello.
Yeah, you can say hello.
Say hi. She's like,
Stand
I'm
in front and
sorry.
say hi.
Say hi, Nana. You wanna tell them what you did yesterday?
What?
You wanna tell everybody what you did yesterday?
My mom's in West Virginia,
You can tell them.
Chrissy. Yeah, tell them what we did yesterday.
She's like, I want lunch. Hold on, baby. I got 2 more dishes to wash with me. We'll make some lunch, okay?
Can I have a wash of this, please?
You wanna help me
See
wash
what
the
I'm
dishes?
drinking, don't you?
Yeah, go get you a chair. How about me rinse these dishes off?
100% pure apple juice. Yeah, and that one there is like my shadow.
Oh God, that was a bird. Look, babe.
Yeah,
That's
Carla,
what peeled my skin
that's
off.
what they are. That part.
Yeah, because it would heat it up. And
She accidentally touched the stove while it
This
was hot.
goofball left the eye on the stove, and then my special kind of was over top of it, so that got really hot when I went to grab it. It like literally
It
pulled the
burnt
freaking
the
skin.
plumb off her finger.
I got like masking tape and a band-aid.
Mom, I walk along.
Thank you, Jessica. All right,
Yeah.
Kara, you do
won't
that,
see
baby.
no more negativity come out of our stuff. This is all you'll see from now on. And at the beaches,
It fucking better be.
at the fishing, me with Junior, there'll be no more content of.
Really, what happened is we needed to
you
get
did
out of Boone
that.
County for a little while. Now we're home. We're comfortable. We got our own spot right now. You know, we're doing damn good. I got my babies. Now, if Junior was here, I would be at 1,000 complete. But other
We
than
know
that,
how
I'm
old you
happy,
are.
man.
Remember, you told me when I was at the bar down here last time.
That's right. She's 24. Still a baby.
Still a kid, though, to us. You know what I mean? I wish I was 24.
Shit, I wish I was fucking 16, man.
I wish I was 12. I'm 8. Yeah, do you see the difference, Junior? That how I
Let me
am
rinse 'em?
when I'm not around all
rinse 'em,
that up
baby.
there. I love my home, don't get me wrong, but there's so much drama, man.
Yeah, it is. It's just, and that's kind of what was really overwhelming us, causing us to fight.
It's causing us to
All the fucking
conflict
lies.
and shit.
And
all
like,
the lies.
people pretending to be Upchurch. I've never talked to him ever, and it was just so misunderstanding. What he was trying to let you really know is that the people making fucking shit about you.
And
I'm
he-
a fan of
and
Ryan
he took
Upchurch.
it
My
to-
family loves Ryan Upchurch.
That's what I was gonna say. Her
you know?
family
My
bounced.
mom was like, I love Ryan Upchurch.
But not now.
Like,
Not now.
that was just stupid.
That's how you lose fans, man.
And I do bathe every day, every single day. Thank y'all. Shit, you know what? I ain't no hate for Georgia's name.
See, Jessica said I see a huge difference. Big difference.
Big difference when we're here. We have
Y'all
our
are
own
way
house.
chiller. See?
Yeah.
Exactly.
And shit's way cheaper.
Not gas and cigarettes
Oh,
and shit.
no. Hell yeah, cigarettes. Look, I'm just gonna go ahead and hint, not gonna tell you what brand or why, but that's the only motherfucking place I can get an 82-cent pack of Marlboros.
89
Whatever.
cents.
Even that
89
shit was
cents a
$1.
pack down here. Just because
Just because some
her
people I
grandmother,
know.
her grandmother, well, not your grandmother's sister works somewhere.
I'm supposed to run some of them. Can I run some of them?
What? Yeah, you rinse. I'm sorry. Here, you take the sprayer. Come here. Come in front of Mama.
I don't want to run over your feet.
Your time.
I wish I could have my daddy back too, Kara. He's been gone since I've been 11 years old. He's been gone for 24 years.
They're already washed. All you gotta do is
Oh,
really
guess
just
what,
rinse the
Jesse?
sprayer
I got a
off and make
tattoo
sure all
on my
of them-
dick. It says OK. When it gets hard, it says Oklahoma.
Mama, look. Oh,
I'm sorry.
We're going to own the Big 12 this year,
Show
West
this there.
Virginia.
Oh, baby. What are you doing? Trying to give me a shower?
Yeah, but they catch you
You know,
bringing those
because-
bitches over the state line. They can
Here,
charge
let me show
you
you,
with
baby. Do
actually
like-
drug charges.
Pull it out a little bit. I'm giving you some loan work.
You know what I mean?
Now
Because
do
you're
it.
coming to a cheaper state.
Now you do it. Here, baby. There you go.
You're coming to Philip Morris. You know what I mean? PM. This is the Philip Morris, Virginia. You know what I mean? Virginia is where cigarettes are made. Besides, you know what I mean?
I just know a lot of people.
I used to buy those.
I'm trying to get him to quit. He needs to quit. Cigarettes are disgusting, y'all. Ew.
Thank you, Jessica.
You got it, Bugaboo? Let me watch that outside. Some of this stuff don't want to come on. You get the other one. We're going to get this pot.
I get them for 89 cents a pack. I'm playing GTA right now. Shane. I took my NASCAR and my Madden off so I could add it because I didn't bring my external hard drive.
Set it over there with the other cup.
I'm playing with his boy now.
When you do cups though, baby, you rinse them, let them sit
There's
upside down so they'll
7 in West Virginia.
That's fine. You don't have to have the water wide open, just like that. Perfect.
Exactly. Your medicinal marijuana card, okay? Let me tell
We're
you.
legal!
It's legal here. It's medicinal in West Virginia. But you can come to these states
My
and use
grandma,
it, but
dude,
you
my
can't
grandma
think
don't even
nothing
take
back.
Tylenol. Had to ask. She's starting to want to do it now. She was like, hey, she didn't know nothing about it. My grandma's like, so what's a quarter? She's so funny, man. That's every girl, man.
Yeah, I got bunkers,
Baby,
I got
it?
clubs,
Okay,
I
you do a
got,
job.
There's no soap on
I mean
It's fine.
everything,
Right
clubs.
That's already because it's already been washed.
Oh, I love that's my number one
Okay.
thing. I'll smoke weed to the day I die. To the day I die. Now when I charge this up, I might go on the porch and blaze it up away from the kids. You know what I mean?
No, you're not. All right, now rinse her off, baby.
My hair getting long, I
Good
don't like
job.
that.
Oh, don't get it on your
Veins
shirt.
like that.
It's fine. It's just water. It's not acid.
No, I was gonna say it's not recreational in
You gonna
Oklahoma
bring my
yet,
home, I'll
but
beat
it
you
will
for
be.
There you go. Rinse her off good. Take her a bath. Take it to the bed.
Yeah.
All right, now get the other utensils.
It says right in the Bible, the book that I swear by, every seed
Yeah.
shall
Ooh,
grow
there's the water. You gotta feed her
and
the
benefit
seed now.
mankind. So
All
what's
right.
that mean? So what does that mean?
Now
It's
look,
a medicine.
when
is
you
what
ever
that means.
dry or wash a knife, like I'm gonna show you this. Look, baby, you be careful. Look at mommy. When you put the knives in here, you always face them down, okay?
No, we've not blown it out of proportion.
Mom, what?
Well,
It's
what
the-
are
Mom,
proportions?
what?
I'm just speaking on my end, what I feel when he comes back,
No, I got it.
when he cheated on my friend from West Virginia. Haley Lynn. Don't you know about all that?
Did you want to see something?
I'm sure
Mom?
she does. Taylor Smith.
Wait, Mom.
And he ain't gonna get on here and say this about Taylor or this about it because I know what happened.
Taylor's
Them's my
This
friends.
one's not one, this one's
Upchurch dated a girl from
Taylor's
Boone
boy,
County,
isn't he?
West
You know
Virginia.
that.
He's a
Mom,
hypocrite.
Mommy, look. So you see how this goes?
I got if Dustin is Rustin, I have his
Alright, we're
phone
done.
number.
Now you wanna do me a
And
favor?
I have everything
Good
about
job, give me
Rustin.
5.
He's a little fat dude that lives
Give
in
me 5,
Queens,
give
New
me 5.
York.
You're all your eyes.
Give me 5, I know. No mess. Give me
No
5.
worries about him.
Hey, I'm Grand Slam, girlfriend. All
Whoa,
right,
my
baby.
shirt's wet.
Your shirt's wet. Oh, it's okay. It'll dry. Come on. Now we got to tackle your bedroom.
I would like my cigarette. Sit here and bullshit for a minute.
What are you doing?
Go through there, Lena. I don't want you running snug at it.
Come on, baby. You sit next to the stove.
Yeah, that's why I'm sitting over here because it goes up that vent right there.
What?
I know. He tries to sound like a wannabe Jersey Shore freak, don't he?
Come on, let's go attack my room.
Derek, I only know how to mock the dude. You know what I mean? It's just so stupid.
You beat me up on my sand. You want
My
me
mama's
to
doing
Sorry, baby.
good.
Grab
You
your
know what I
phone.
mean? As far as I know, still dealing with what's going on with my brother, where he had that meningitis and stuff. He has to have intervene IVs while he's at the house. They're doing home health care with him right now. Yeah, he sounds ignorant. And one thing, well, Derkie is, and I can pull more women you ever put. Really? 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 You're still a little kid, bro. I'm a decade older than you, little boy. Gingerbread. That's just like one girl said. He needs to shut his mouth. You've caught him out over 30 times and throw him hands. He ain't never going to do it. No, it's not. Really? Trying to steal his girlfriend he's with now? No, what it was about was a message that was to her.
Trying to get me, it wasn't no talking, nothing. What it was is somebody sent me a message being Ryan Upchurch or pretending to be him, and it was like, you know how people post ads on their Facebooks for other companies, you know, to make money, and that's what it was. Well, I really was like, dang, you mean just to post ads and to make money? I was like, yeah, that's cool, because, you know, I see a lot of people do that. But then when I ended up realizing it wasn't a Ryan Upchurch,
She said we're
I
doing this
explained
just
that
to get him
him.
broke up with his new girlfriend.
No, by no means. Nobody's trying to do that. I'm just trying to clarify.
We're telling you the
I've
truth
never
about what
talked
he
to
is.
Ryan Upchurch like that by no means.
By
It was
God,
a
I'm telling the
scammer.
truth of what he is.
A scammer
He's the
tried to
scammer.
get me to post ads to make money and all this bullshit. And
The scammer
that's
on
what
women.
he didn't understand.
He
Now
likes
he
to
understands
scam
that.
women. Taylor will get right on here and tell you.
Taylor, I'm telling you, what I've heard, she's a beautiful country girl,
she is
and you know what? You
super
don't
beautiful.
deserve something like that, Taylor. You deserve way better.
She's done with my buddy, a boy named
Good. You
Colton
don't deserve
Petrie.
somebody like that. You
She's
got a
with
lot.
Mr. Petrie. With what she needed, not Upchurch.
I am going to help. How about this? You help me
He thinks that YouTube fan takes him everywhere.
Baby, take your toys in there and go put them in your toy box, okay?
No, okay, the reason I spoke to Takey's girl, he cheated on her. The girl I'm talking about's Taylor. I don't even know his new girlfriend's name.
Because she's famous and blonde.
Because she's supposed to be a YouTuber also. Well, guess what? If he did that, if that was your boyfriend, wouldn't you want to know?
And I had a girl knew he was all that shit. That's bullshit. I'm records.
See what I'm saying? And if she had any self-respect herself, she would have said, no, Ryan, don't do that. You're going to cause trouble. He does what he wants to.
Girl, you throw 'em, I'm
But
gonna
he
get your
won't.
butt. I'm not playing.
See, I made contact with
You do
this.
it all day.
Oh, your little lights movie. You mean the 5 white movies that you don't know about the other 4?
And we're not even down you, dude. Yeah, you're successful. You're getting there on your music. We are hating on you. We're just walking straight on.
Just trying to tell him he's making his image look worse and worse.
Dude, I mean,
They just lost a whole fan base in the state of West Virginia, a whole family worth.
Like I said, my family's fucking a fan. I can't even believe this is happening.
And now they don't like him because of what he said. That's what I'm trying to say.
Shit, my mom just loves you. And he finally got to sit down with my mom and my parents, which was awesome. Tell them that, baby.
Exactly. She said exactly. So the video shouldn't have been made about you, period. Like I said, see, he had no right to come back at me. All I was doing was straightening things out.
Like, you know what?
Praying mantis. His praying mantis will eat your head off, huh, female?
It ain't that. I just, the negativity.
I'm the female praying mantis, motherfucker. You the male. I'll eat
It
your
sucks,
head off.
man. You didn't have to come back. Me, come back. Come back with free concert tickets.
Really? You've never heard the Dancing Outlaw? That's 5 times better than the Wild and Wonderful Whites. I'm in it when I'm her son's age. Like
Bro, you better drink this chocolate milk.
10
I
years
got
old.
the waist.
I'm in that one.
I don't get
And then we
food
got
stamps.
Jesco
I
goes
got
to
to
Hollywood. Then we got the first one came out. It's called Talking Feet. That's just ridiculous. Then you got that one that the British people made. All that.
Jessica goes to Hollywood.
No, it's the one about something.
What, darling?
Yeah, you're missing out on the
We are,
real
baby. I gotta clean
white
my
movies.
house out here
This
first.
Wild and Wonderful White shit's a joke. Because, you know why I care? They hate us because they ain't us. That's why they start that drama. Always calling people crackheads and meth heads and this and that. And, oh, you don't work, you don't do this, you don't do that. Really? That's what I do. I jumped straight to an interview as soon as I got here.
I might have to use it till it comes up. Your turn.
See what Mary Sabota said. I've seen your movies. You truly are the baddest. I love you. Because what? I didn't get famous from YouTube. I didn't need YouTube, guys. I didn't need to buy no followers or
He wants to
monetization.
say hey.
You know what I mean? Hold on a second. Tell me, let that, wait, let me put
Oh,
it off it. Yeah, I won't allow him around the smoke.
Did you take your allergy medicine, buddy?
Watch out, baby. Watch out.
Lena, I swear
Hold
you were
on.
this chocolate milk.
My stepson wants to come say hi. Come over and say
It's
hi.
in the fridge. It's
Come
fine.
say
It's
hi.
fine.
Tell him who you are. That's one of my
Trey.
channels.
It's on Trey.
He's still camera shy. You know what I mean? Exactly, Gregory. I earn my fans. I don't buy them. She said, hi, sweet boy. Jesse, borrow.
I'll say something negative to that. You really fuck.
Borrow. Borrow.
What do you want to eat, baby? You want pizza?
Oh, you met my Minnesota family, the ones that's against us, that downed us in the movie. They're nothing like us real ones. I'll tell you that right now. What was they in the movie for? A minute total with that?
See, with me, I got that.
My cousin Amy said he's cute.
Who? Come here. That's the Amy we met. Come on.
Yeah, that's my cousin. That right there and talk to him. Don't be shy. If
Say
you're
hey,
shy,
Amy.
you'll
Just
never-
say hey, Amy.
if you're shy, you'll never make it on that camera.
It's in my baby boy. Well, my grown-up baby boy, he thinks he's 20.
Tell him who you sleep with, Trey.
I sleep in my bed. Sleep with my mom.
Yeah, wake up and I bet
My
you do.
dad.
Yeah.
You always wake
He's
up in
right
the
here.
bed with us.
His head's on my chest every morning I wake up.
My baby loves him. Trey, I got corned beef
Every
hash,
time
baby.
I
made
wake up,
some
that
corned beef
boy's
hash
head
with
is on my
mom.
chest.
Corned beef hash?
He won't sleep unless he's with me.
Wait, how did you get to the store?
I went to school.
Yeah, that's my step boy there. Will be. And that's my stepdaughter. They're like my shadows.
If you tighten up.
She's over there right now using my PlayStation. You know what I mean? See, they're saying, oh, he's adorable, he's a
Thank
cutie.
y'all. That's my baby boy. It's my main man. Got my main squeeze, huh, Toots? He don't like being called Toots. I can't do baby names with him no more. He's like, oh, Mom. No.
Junior, I still call him Tata. He'll be 16.
I call him Tata because you got me calling him Tata. And it's funny because everybody at home calls him Derek.
He'll be my baby until the day they bury me. Exactly. See what Greg Van said? You've never had to knock somebody out, talk about somebody to gain views. No, I've not. And, you know what I mean? And y'all see my boy Junior. He looks just like his daddy, you know? It takes a punk to make a kid, but us men raise our kids. That's my motto. I'm going to make stickers that say that, actually, and put on the back of my car.
You didn't send me them pictures.
No, I'll send them to you.
Mom.
But check out the, I'm going to go chill with them for a little bit. I'll be back live in a little bit. Peace. Deals.
Say bye.